The Boating Adventure Community Post Channel Update number 115. Well, a very good morning to you. It is Sunday, the 23rd of March 2025. Significant date, isn't it? The 23rd of March, 5 years ago. That's when we were all told to stay at home. So I'm glad that's all over. So today I'm taking the swamp duck out and I'm going down and I'm going to the bottom of the Ashby Canal, and then I'm going to go along the Coventry Canal and the North Oxford Canal, and I'm going to try and complete that video that I did a few weeks ago, which I entitled I Failed. I failed because the engine failed, and seems a while ago now, but the engine has all been fixed, purring away like a good one. It was basically clogged up with loads of rubbish, and it had damaged the thermostat. It's also damaged the impeller, so it's had a few new parts to it. So a couple of £100 later, and it's purring like a good one. Bank balance is a little bit lower. That's boating. I left the marina this morning at about 9:32. It's a bit misty, so I'm hoping that this mist will lift. I'm not going to be doing any filming until I get to the point where I broke down last time, and sort of continue that video. And I'm heading towards Anstey, so I want to spend some time at Anstey. I've never stopped there. We've moored there occasionally, but we've never got off the boat really and walked up the towpath or anything like that. So I've been doing a little bit of research to see if there's anything worth looking at, so we'll go and find out. So that video will go out next week, and that will be Saturday the 29th of March 2025 at 8 AM. Fingers crossed I will have completed it by then. So that video will go out on Saturday the 29th of March 2025 at 8 AM. I'd like to thank you for your continual support in helping me to push the channel. We've got a lot more subscribers of late, so welcome to anybody who's joined us. It's a great encouragement, and thank you for everybody who keeps putting the likes. I noticed that I haven't had any of the dislikes in the last couple of videos, so whether that person has given up or not, I hope so. So I'm just going to capture a little bit of footage just to end this little update. So thank you very much for watching and all your support. And as always, do take care. And just on the towpath side, on my starboard side, if you look at the second narrowboat, I believe that is a narrowboat Silver Fox, which people who follow lots of boating videos will know all about. It's not in the same ownership as it was.